Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already signed in. Now open your Mail app or webmail and go straight to Sent. Locate the folder labeled Sent, Sent Mail, or Sent Items. This stores messages you sent. Once there, scan the list by date. Newest messages appear at top in most clients. Make sure the account displayed is the one you used to send. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the correct one, otherwise you will look in the wrong Sent folder and miss the message. Once you're in Sent, use the search bar to type the recipient, a word from the subject, or a date. This narrows results quickly. If your client offers filters, apply attachments or date ranges to reduce clutter. Make sure Conversation View is enabled if you want the full thread. That shows replies and forwards in context. When you see the likely message, open it to inspect headers and body. This confirms you sent the right content and shows any attachments you include. Open the sent message and confirm the exact recipient list and timestamp. This proves delivery intent. If you need a copy, forward it to yourself, print to PDF, or download attachments into a labeled folder. Once done, archive or move the message for record keeping. If you cannot find the message, make sure it wasn't saved as a draft, stuck in Outbox, or sent from a different account. Also check sync settings and server folders. If problems persist, restart the app and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.